Hey guys, Ramblin Man here. I wanted to make a quick update video about my Indian Roadmaster and tightening the throttle side mirror. I'll post to the original video up here that showed I was struggling to do this. I've had that come up before on this Indian Roadmaster when I've been on the road. Sometimes it tightens, other times it won't. Some people have said put Loctite on there. I'm not actually sure you can even get into there. If you had to actually remove that mirror, I'm not sure how to do that. Anyhow, I had tried a few things, coming at it from the side, loosening the master cylinder, um, 2 wrenches. Anyhow, just watch that video if you want to recap. And nothing worked. And the few times I've been on the road when I was able to get it tightened, I don't know what I did any differently than before. So also, I have the owner's manual and the service manual for that bike, neither of which talk about how to tighten that mirror. It just says be sure to tighten the mirror. And I know it sounds so simple, but yet I could not figure it out. Folks on the message boards gave me a lot of good ideas. My local tech, who had worked on the bike, doing some did a tire change for me on the bike, offered to have me come back over to his place, and he would take a look at it. And because he had done it before, and he said it's kind of tricky, it's hard to describe. And hey, I took him up on that offer and went over there. I did record the video, but I did not make a great recording. We were having a conversation. I flipped on the camera, was trying to watch him and record, and the footage is not that great. But I'm going to play a little bit of the footage here so you can see it. Here's how you tighten the mirror. 3, 2, 1, go.
There we go. Okay, so now I'm on with this 17 and I've got it behind the mirror. So then I'm going to just bring both at the same time to get that to move enough to where I can get the wrench down a little further. And then you got to really torque it down. But it is not probably in the right placement for you to be able to see, but I'm going to leave it there.
All right, so you can see on that footage, what he did was loosen the master cylinder, which is what I had tried, pull it forward to make a lot of room, which I had tried. The difference is I had gone in from the side like usual to try to just get my wrench in there. And by the way, if you didn't notice, he was using a 17 millimeter wrench. I took my wrenches over there with him, and he was using the same size 17 millimeter wrench that I did. He used one wrench to do it. The mistake I was making was I went in from the side just like normal. He went at it from an angle. And I'll see if I can put one picture up I took as a screenshot. You can see the end of the wrench is at the top of the mirror or in the middle of the mirror, kind of following the stem of the mirror. Whereas when I was doing it, the bottom of the wrench would have been level with the front of the wrench, straight across on a side level basis. He took the wrench at an angle down toward, move that mirror all the way back, or actually, I guess that would be all the way forward toward the fairing, had the wrench at an angle, and then pulled the mirror and the wrench forward together. That made it super tight, but the mirror wasn't in the position we wanted. So he had me get on the bike, make sure it was where I wanted, and he left that on. This is the second picture. He had left the wrench connected, and then just tightened it down again once we kind of moved it around. It didn't need that much more tightening. The problem I've had is I'm in the driveway or in a parking lot, and I think it's tight, and I think I've got it where I want it. I get on the road, I go to adjust it, and I barely touch it, and it goes loose again. And that's what's happened to me. So I was on the road. I was really hesitant to even touch it, but the mirror was just slightly off from where I wanted it. So I reached out and tilted and moved it, and it didn't move. But I got to tell you, I was still reluctant because it's something so simple, but it's something I've struggled with. So hopefully we're done with that. It's tight. It's going to hold for a while. Interestingly to me, the left mirror on that bike has never come loose, and I've never had a problem with it. But of course, the left one is the easier one to reach because there's no master cylinder blocking. You don't need 2 wrenches to tighten those, by the way. That's a question and comment that comes up a lot. Is that when I was doing my research on this and posting questions or reading questions, a lot of people would always say you need 2 wrenches. You do not need 2 wrenches. We did it with one, and that's about it. So approach it at an angle. Loosen the master cylinder. Get the mirror where you want, then put the master cylinder back. Yeah, because the master cylinder and the mirror both move. So you got to tighten the master cylinder after you get the mirror in place. Hopefully, I didn't leave anything out. I know that's something so simple, so stupid, but I'm not the only one that's had this issue. I did find other people with questions on the internet about the very same thing, but they would come back and say, "Never mind, guys, I figured it out. Thanks." There was one guy who I found some discussion for him said that he was in Sturgis on a road trip and went to the Indian dealer there, and a tech came out and approached it at an angle and got it to work. So that was the closest thing I had found to a solution. And one of you in the discussion group I'm in, the last response just before my update was someone saying, "Hey, the only thing I can think of is to do," and he described what we just did. So he nailed it. Bravo. That's it. This is Ramblin' Man. I'll see you on the road.